We are WG Locksmiths team. And today, we will be looking at maintenance of the multi-point lock mechanism. Step 1. Locate the locking points. Step 2. Engage the mechanism by lifting the handle up. The locking point should be now visible. Step 3. Lubricate the locking points. We recommend using WD-40 penetrant. Hold the nozzle upwards and let it drip inside of the mechanism. Apply one quick shot inside of each point. Step 4. In turns, press and lift the handle to spread the lubricant. Step 5. Close the door. Door should be working smoothly. If it doesn't work smoothly, there may be an underlying problem with the lock or alignment. Contact us for help. Thank you for watching.